and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushree, and today I'll be giving you the overview of Tripika Tejukaya, The Edge by Tripika Developers. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and actual land parcel. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the main entrance, which takes you to the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Road. The road on the right hand side takes you to the Bhaikala, and the road on the left hand side takes you to the Dadar. Before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. So let's start. In this overview, we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, lounge discount offers, and many more. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 2.5 acres of land parcel, featuring 2 towers, ground, 10 podium plus 46 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, this project is located near Eastern Express Highway, Parel East, Mumbai, with Tata Hospital 1.6 kilometers, Rani Bagh 2 kilometers, and Parel Railway Station at just 2.3 kilometers. Here you get access to 40 plus luxurious amenities such as multipurpose court, banquet hall, gymnasium, infinity edge swimming pool, amphitheater, and many more. With a carpet area of 2 BHK is 800 square feet. 3 BHK is 1259 to 1638 square feet, and 4 BHK is 1900 to 2777 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our token window is now open. Clients are invited to visit our site, while our sales team will explain the project details. We share the payment and the pricing scheme. We'll also show you the actual location as well. Then if the clients like the project, they can proceed the token amount. So everyone, this was the complete overview of Tripika Tejukaya, The Edge by Tripika Developers, located at Parel East, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.